Okay, what's up guys? I have a really weird setup, so I think you guys are a bit crooked, so I apologize. But today it's Danny's birthday, so I'm going to surprise him. I'm so excited and I'm so nervous. I've never done anything like this for anyone, so I've never surprised anyone like this, so fingers crossed. What I'm planning to do is go inside his room and then kind of just put all the gifts in his bed, and then that way when he walks in he'll just see them. I'm putting I love you with all my senses, and then I'm pretty sure you all have seen this before. I'm not sure if y'all know this, but I always have to include at least one DIY, even though I have horrible handwriting and horrible drawing skills and or anything like that. I had to include something that I made with my hands. So for sight, I did this picture thing. Well, y'all will see later, but it's this picture thing. And in every picture I wrote stuff that I love about him. Sorry if there's a lot of noise. The little air vent thingy makes a lot of noise. So yes. Okay, let me show you all how I somewhat set it up. So this is how I set it up. Okay, the balloons, they're gonna be on the floor, but I don't want to risk them popping. I feel like if I put them on the floor, they're gonna pop. So I'm not gonna risk it. Okay, let's put it here. The balloons should say happy birthday. And okay, I did not film this, but I blew the balloons right now, 5 minutes ago, out of the packet, and I only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 and I was dying, so yeah, I'm not gonna do more. So yeah, I did 5, but basically it says right here, I love you with all my senses, and then it has the cake for taste, and then I have the pictures with all the little saying, and that this counts for sight. Obviously I have balloons in here. That's happy birthday. And then I have the sound, touch, and smell. And then that present's actually from my mom. My mom gave him a little present as well. So I decided to put it there. Maybe I'll put it a little bit more cute. Over here. There. So that's kind of how I set it up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna switch it around, but I think that's how I'm gonna set it up. Ignore all the blankets in the background. I didn't want to fix it.
Two hours later.
Come in!
You see, I was right. The 5 senses. And you bigger than.
Oh, fuck! I hate myself. Why did you walk in? You just peeked.
Whatever someone think
I was gonna throw you the balloon, but you're look at me.
Baby, no, wait, that TV. You love me with all my senses? You like the way?
With all my senses.
You said you love me with taste.
Hold on. Now, let me take a picture with for snap. Can you move move it back? Move the bunches back. That way. Wait, can you see this one? Oh no, I can't see this one. Another one.
You ready?
Do you want to open your gifts here in camera?
Why did you put the last picture of you? That was supposed to be about me.
Look, read it. It says, I love how it's about me.
There's one right already, right? I just one present. I'll hang it in my wall. This one's. You got the cologne.
I don't know.
I already know how much it weighs. Okay. If I guess it right, you owe me $5. Click. Did I just wrap it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you smell it? before you bought it?
It's a different one.
I know. I have Kenneth Cole too.
Wait!
What?
Are you sure that you...
Well, I've never.
you're gonna like
does it smell good? Did you smell it?
I liked it, but...
Okay, if you like it, I like it. Ready? I'm gonna open this one nice and
Nice and pretty?
nice and slow. Ready?
Go.
You see, you did good. You know how to shop. You just have to. Thank you, baby. Oops, someone texted me. Ready, baby? Is it the yellow ones?
Yeah. I literally went back like 2 seconds later.
What did the girl say?
She's like, you're gonna buy them? I'm like, yeah.
Poor girl. Hey, baby. Oh, look. I'm wearing black pants, so now you can see how they look like. It's because these pants are ugly. I need to get like black. You get me?
Yeah,
But,
they're
like-
great, huh?
Oh shit, Abigail, what size did you get?
I got the one that you tried on.
They look good? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm
You
wearing,
like them?
I'm wearing crazy socks. Oh, okay, yes. They're shirts, I like them.
But I don't know if you like stripes or not like stripes.
Yeah, Abby, do you not know who I am? I work for Agassi. I like this one. This one's a pretty color.
You sure?
Yes, Abby, since when do
Because I didn't know about the bright blue line here.
Copyright. Oh shit, I was crying.
I have to be like,
That's how the,
I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in.
You just all of it.